In this video, you are going to see how to do speed ramping on video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. After adding clips to the timeline, follow these steps. First, select the clip and right-click on it. Now, from the options, choose Show Clip Keyframes, then Time Remapping, next Speed. Now you will see a white line like this. This is the speed slider for the video clip. If you move it up, it increases the speed. If you move it down, it decreases the speed. We can also add custom keyframes however we like. To do that, select the pen tool, then just hover it over the line. It shows a plus symbol like this, which means you can add a keyframe. Now create another one, then control the speed as you need. To make the speed smoother, split and move it like this after creating the keyframe. You just press and move it. After that, you can make smooth curves like this to ramp up or ramp down the speed. You can also place two clips on top of each other to create those fancy speed ramping effects. It depends on your own creativity and patience, how smooth you are able to make the speed ramping. That's the video. These or the other videos you might like. Subscribe, like and share for more videos.